Are you gonna blast me with an RPG?
Get down on the ground. I missed. Yes. I shot you in the face. What the heck?
Ooh.
No way. No way, bro. Am I that good?
Buddy, once I get a hold of a gun, I'm gonna get a shotgun.
Buddy, you're cooked.
Oh.
My step.
Give it back!
Aren't you Red Watch? Oh, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Ow. Why are you so bully?
Oh crap. I'm tiny.
Hey!
Did he respawn? I think it just respawned. I got it.
Got him. Son. What?
Perfect W plan.
I'm gonna have to run all the way up here and over here. You missed.
How? I literally saw you up here from the whatever the hell.
Got him.
I'm not dead
Wait.
yet.
How? Dog.
Next time, try 3 lives.
Frick, where'd he go?
I don't think I killed him.
Where did you go, boy? I hate you. I hate you so much. As soon as you dog. Work on your aim, buddy. No. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm sorry, sir. Sir, I'm sorry. Oh!
How big is my ghost? How big is my ghost?
You were humongous. You were. Now you're tiny.
Oh, buddy, once I be back.
Dog.
Why was that? Why was that like you're doing your hands?
For accuracy.
Yo.
My body is tumbling right now.
Tumbleweed.
Oh, it fell. Mister,
I revive you.
start digging in your butt, twin.
Freaking plans. I'm just gonna find the explosive bomb.
Back to back. All right, 3, 2, 1, start walking.
I was gonna.
Buddy, jump out!
How did you do that? Actually, this time.
Like doing it the old West Day.
Are you freaking kidding me right now?
Your body went all the way to the shop. I can't handle this anymore. I'm 007.
Mr. Krabs, start digging in your butt, twin.
Up here?
Start.
So we go to this cave to hide from the
If you don't stop, I'm gonna shoot you in the back of the head.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
That was.
Oh, I almost just stepped on a bomb.
Murderous.
Wait, it's so cute. What the hell? Okay.
Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Run!
Where'd you go?
Oh my god.
Ooh, it smells
This is
good.
the spider. This is the spider area.
Like, the OG Do I shoot it?
See,
looks
Andros,
like
like, see those glowing? Also, no, we are gonna.
Where
need
is
to
my
swim
backpack?
back.
Oh, it's right here. Ow! I think you just ate me. It's fine.
Because we have a lot of stuff. You don't have your backpack on.
Frick. Mom, I forgot my backpack for school. What do we do here?
Grace for impact, buddy!
Praise for him.
Made it.
What?